friends, happy Wednesday. All right, today on your paper it says that we're learning all about camping, and this is exciting because we already learned a little bit about camping when we were in the classroom. If you remember, we had the tent set up in the Dramatic Play Center, and that was a lot of fun. Everybody got to go in there. We read our books with flashlights in the library center, and that was a lot of fun. So today for letters and sounds, it says play letter or sound dot. Use mini marshmallows to cover the spots. So if you have mini marshmallows at home, you can do that, or you can just do it without them, it doesn't matter. So these are the letter dotted pages. So there's 3 of them. There's uppercase, lowercase, and then there's one that just has pictures for beginning sounds. So I want you to find these and get something to write with. And I'm not going to color on mine, but I'm just going to show you. It says to point to the letter, say its name and sound, and dot it, cover it with a sticker, trace it, or cover it or color the letter dot. So you point to a letter. We're going to start right here. And this is the letter T, and T says T. So I said the name, I said the sound, and then you need to color it. But I'm going to keep mine clean, so I'm not going to color it, but you need to color yours. So color your letter. Next, find another letter. I want to do this one. Letter N. N says N. So then you color that one. All right, once you've done all of your letters, I want you to move on and do the next one. The next one is lowercase letters. And then I'm going to show you how to do this one because this one's a little bit different. This one says, point to an object, say the beginning sound, and write the letter in the dot. So for this one, you have to figure out what letter needs to go on there. So let's look at the very first one. This is a sun. 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 What do you hear at the very beginning of sun? Sun. I hear the S sound. So we need to write the letter S right here beside the sun. You can write it over on top of it, or you can write it to the side. It doesn't matter. All right, so then you would go through and listen to the sounds of each picture. So apple, apple is A. All right, so you need to go through and write all those letters for those. And that's going to take a minute. It's okay if you have to take a break and come back to it later, because that's a lot of stuff to do. All right, when you're done with those, I want you to get out your journal. Ooh, let me find a clean page. Here we go. And we are going to be writing about camping. So if you have never been camping, you can write about what we did in the classroom. Maybe you could write about how you had fun playing in the tent in the kitchen center. Or you can write about a time that you actually went camping. I'm going to go camping in a couple of days when summer starts, and I'm excited. I love going camping. All right, so just for example, you don't have to write what I'm writing. I'm just showing you how we write in our journals so that you remember. Okay, so you don't have to write what I'm writing. You can write what you want to write. But when we start writing in our journals, we've got to have our picture and our words, and if we were at school, we would stamp it with a date stamp, or you can write the date. So I want to write about when we were playing in the tent in the kitchen center. So I'm going to write I had what letter says F? Oh, F. All right, I wrote I had fun in the tent. So I'm writing about when we had fun in the tent in the classroom. So I'm going to draw a picture. I remember the tent was green. But don't make fun of my pictures. Remember, I'm not the best artist. All right, it was shaped kind of like this. And it had 2 doors. And I like that. Remember, you want to make your picture be beautiful so that the people who are reading your story know, have something to look at and know what you're writing about. All right, and then I was inside the tent. All right, so I have my words, I have my picture, and we're done. So you can write about, like I said, a time that you've gone camping for real outside. You can write about when we did it in the classroom, or another time when you went camping. All right, so that's it for today. Have a great day, guys.